Welcome back to Bob Jones Realtor. Today, I bring you the latest update on the County Road 42 Roundabout construction project. Stay tuned for all the details, including current news, information about GIP Contractors, insights on Vista Academy School, and some interesting facts about this ambitious project. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. As of September 2024, the County Road 42 Roundabout construction is progressing on schedule. The intersection of County Road 42 and County Road 43 remains closed, with local access only for residents and businesses. The project aims to enhance road capacity and improve neighborhood connectivity. Green Infrastructure Partners, or GIP Contractors, is the powerhouse behind this project. With a reputation for delivering comprehensive construction services, GIP ensures effective coordination and smooth transitions between project tasks. Their expertise spans across various domains, including aggregate deposits, asphalt plants, and concrete plants. Did you know that the County Road 42 Roundabout project is part of a multi-year initiative to widen the road to 5 lanes? This project also includes the construction of bicycle lanes, sidewalks, and multi-use trails, making it a significant step towards enhancing the overall infrastructure of the area. The construction of the roundabout is expected to have a positive impact on the community by reducing traffic congestion and improving safety for both motorists and pedestrians. Local businesses and residents are looking forward to the completion of the project, which promises to bring long-term benefits to the area. Tecumseh Vista Academy is located at 11665 Shield Street in Tecumseh, Ontario. It is part of the Greater Essex County District School Board and offers programs from junior kindergarten to grade 12. The school provides both French immersion and English programs. Tecumseh Vista Academy is known for its modern facilities, including an artificial turf football field, a first-class gym facility, and various common areas for students to assemble and learn. The school aims to meet the growing needs of the Tecumseh community and provide a supportive and accessible environment for students, staff, and families. That's today's update on the County Road 42 Roundabout construction. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. Don't forget to leave your comments below and let us know what you think about the project. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.